guys, I'm going to show how to use a wind-up torch. To use one of these, you'll need to. There's a switch here, but it's hard to turn on. To wind, so as you can see, one light on. Sorry for the light. Then another light on, and then if it's not bright, wind it up. If you wind it up, and it gets more brighter. So to use this torch, you need to wind up. The winding up, you don't need batteries. You don't need chargers just to wind up. It still works. I got it from before. So, yeah, if you want this torch, you can find it in the shops. Yeah. Okay, that's how you use a torch, a wind-up torch. If you like this video, subscribe and leave a like if you want to. That would be appreciated. So, if that was helpful, subscribe. Bye.